Here's how to add a business registration number in Xero, step by step. Begin from your main Xero screen so you can access the organization settings from the correct place. Look to the top left corner of the page where your organization name appears in the main navigation area. Click your organization name to open the menu connected to your account and company details. This menu gives you access to settings and other organization level options, so make sure you are selecting the current organization you want to update before moving on. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you into the area where Xero stores the main setup information for your organization. Depending on your screen size, the page may appear with several categories grouped together, so take a moment to confirm that you are in the Settings section for the organization and not in a report or transaction screen. Once you are on the Settings page, find the General section. Under General, click Organization Details. This is the page where Xero keeps the core information tied to your business profile, such as the business name, contact information, and registration details. When the Organization Details page opens, you may see several fields arranged in a form layout. On that form, look for the field labeled Business Registration Number. The wording of the field is the key detail here, so focus on that exact label rather than nearby fields that may relate to tax or contact information. If the page contains multiple business identity fields, make sure you are entering the number in the Business Registration Number field specifically. Click inside the Business Registration Number field and enter your business registration number. Type the number exactly as it should appear in your records. If your business registration number includes letters, spaces, or formatting that your organization uses officially, enter it carefully so the information matches your documents. Before saving, take a brief moment to review what you entered and confirm there are no typing mistakes. After the number is entered, click Save. This updates the organization details with the new business registration information. If Xero takes a moment to process the change, wait for the page to finish updating. Once the save is complete, the registration number should remain in the field as part of your organization details. If you are managing more than one organization in Xero, it is worth checking the organization name again after saving, just to confirm you made the change in the intended file. That helps avoid updating the wrong company profile when switching between accounts in the same dashboard. Your business registration number is now saved in your Xero organization details.